Hello. Is your refrigerator running?
Yeah.
Better go catch it.
Well, okay. Who are you?
I'm Robin Quivers.
I don't know you all.
Okay. Is your refrigerator running?
I done told you once or twice.
Are you kidding me?
It ain't running on outside, but it's running on the inside.
Better go catch it.
But you want anything or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Is your refrigerator running?
I done told you once I ain't gonna keep fooling with you.
Better go catch it.
Hey, I'm not gonna keep on over and over and over. Okay. Bye. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Is your refrigerator running?
Oh, you come on. Just come down there and look at him, and then you'll talk about it. If you escape the loony bin,